Quick unboxing video of the Canary One from Canary Radio Company. It'll come mailed in a magnetically enclosed or magnetic closure box here. The radio will be separated from the antenna. So the first step will be to attach your antenna to the radio. And by pressing either button, we can turn the radio on. The radio comes pre-flashed with the latest stable release of firmware for Meshtastic. You'll need a client device, so on Android, you can use the Google Play Store to search for Meshtastic. We'll open the application since it's already downloaded to this particular device. Hit the plus button. Take note of the node ID on the radio here. So this one is Meshtastic_896B, which matches with what we're presented with on screen. Be prompted for a Bluetooth pin. The radio will begin connecting, and the first thing we'll need to do is set the region. So in the upper right hand corner under region, we'll select our region, which will reboot. It'll reboot the radio, and when it comes back online, it should be all set. All right, and now we're connected. To turn off the radio, hold both buttons down simultaneously for about 10 seconds. And that's it. That's the Canary One radio.